Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to solve a set math question, which is what is the 10% of 470. And here we have four options, which is 37, 47, 423 and 460. So in order to solve this question, first we should make the expression for this word problem. And this word problem can be written in the equation form is 47 into 10%, because this 47 will multiply with this 10% value, and as we know that this 10% value can be written as 10 over 100 and 470 will remain same. Now in the next step, this value after dividing 10 with 100 we should get 0.1 value and 470 will remain same. Now after multiplying 470 with 0.1 value we should get 47. It means that for this word problem the answer is B, 47. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.